Okay, hi, this is Jessica from Rongroup. Welcome back to my channel. Our channel is meant to share knowledge and experience on the overall supporting of the restaurant and wedding banquet. Last video, I have told you guys how to choose the best flatware in several aspects. In this video, let's discuss how to maintain your flatware so you can make your investment last. Okay, to keep your flatware looking good, be sure to follow the proper procedure in cleaning. Although flatware is stainless steel doesn't mean it won't be rusted. Constructing of high-quality stainless steel make your flatware is easy to maintain. Most of our stainless steel flatware are this-wear safe. However, extreme heat, lemon detergents, and acid compounds should be avoided. Whether using the dishware or hand washing, dry the utensil as soon as possible to avoid spouting and spitting, especially on knives. If using the dishware, load the utensil and serving pieces loosely and use a speed-free rinsing agent. Here's how to clean your flatware. Stainless steel flatware will last longer and look better if you keep the following tips in mind. The first one, remove all food remnants from your flatware as soon as possible. The second, it is advised to wash stainless steel flatware immediately after use to prevent discoloring. The best way of cleaning them is to rinse them under clear hot water and wipe with a very soft cloth before drying and putting back in the drawer. The third, another technique is to use a dishwasher. However, for this to be safe, you must make some changes to the usual routine. Rinse the silver under a tap to remove leftover food residue and place it separately to the stainless steel. Use a tablespoon of detergent without lemon and certain additives and leave the silverware in the dishwasher until it finishes both its wash and dry cycles. Alternatively, remove the silver before the dry cycle and allow it to dry naturally to prevent heat damage. By following those techniques, you will always be prepared to impress and your flatware will continue to be the same as the day you first saw it. If you are interested, just subscribe us or contact us below. If you have any want to know, welcome to leave the comments and we will try our best to help you. Don't forget to follow us. See you next time.